Hello dear students, this is our last video of Unit 1's Prose 1, the fun they had, okay, the big question answers, the lengthy one we are doing here, and we are going to discuss 3 question answers are there in your textbook. So we are going to discuss these question answers and you have to write in the notebook, okay. So I will make you very easy and how to write those answers and will gain full marks on that. I will make you understand like this, okay. So let's start the lengthy question answers of Prose 1. Okay, this is the Beehive, your textbook, and we are starting the first lesson of your textbook, that the fun they had, okay. Unit 1 we are doing, and we have completed the discussion about the thing, and now we are doing the question answers thing. So we'll have a little bit recap. Yeah, the fun they had, okay. The Margie and Tommy, the both students are there, both the kids. They are having virtual classroom and they are having mechanical teacher, and for that they want real teachers, and real they are finding difference between two. So we will discuss about the thing, full paragraph, full prose of that, and we are now discussing about the lengthy questions. Yeah, right here in your textbook, on the page number 10, exercise number 4, answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs. See, 2 or 3 paragraphs, okay. And in bracket it's clarified one more thing, that 100 to 150 words, okay. So we have to write all at least 20 to 18 to 20 sentences, not the lines, okay. Sentences for this answer, the brief question answers. In your paper pattern, you are having this kind of questions, okay. That is where we are going to discuss. And one more benefit is that कि अगर ये बड़े क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स आपको लिखने आ गया, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि आपके लिए फिर इस प्रोस में से छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस भी जो भी पूछे जाएंगे वो आपको बहुत ही ईजीली पता चल जाएगा. तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ द मैकेनिकल टीचर्स एंड द स्कूल रूम्स दैट मार्गी एंड टॉमी have in the story. Okay, fine. So in textbook we have to find some text also, some sentences also, and for the answer of this question we have to go through the picture description. On page number 19 there is a picture that Margie, one girl, is there on her chair, okay, with the headphones, and she is having computer in front of him, and in her classroom. See, just behind of that there is a small robot, okay. So we can guess that this is the mechanical teacher, and according to this we have to write the answer, okay, of this question. So हम इस तरह से इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिख सकते हैं. इसमें से कुछ हमें टेक्स्ट उठाने होंगे और पिक्चर डिस्क्रिप्शन, जो कि बचपन से आप करते आ रहे हैं, इसमें ऐसा करना होगा. तो इसमें 2 क्वेश्चन हैं, जिसमें पहले क्वेश्चन का हम आंसर यहाँ पे दे रहे हैं कि व्हाट आर द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ द मैकेनिकल टीचर्स, ओके. जस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू दी ऐसा लिख सकते हैं इसमें आप कि आइजैक एसिमोव इसके ऑथर हैं, ठीक है. इसके नैरेट हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू दी नैरेट आइजैक एसिमोव ऑफ द प्रोस द फन दे हैड, ठीक है. हमें यहाँ पे जो आंसर है वो लेंदी करना है, तो ये एडिशन कर सकते हैं, और आप ऑथर का नाम और वो लिखेंगे तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. तो हम इस तरह से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द नैरेट आइजैक एसिमोव इन द प्रोस नेम्ड the fun they had. It's beautifully described about the mechanical teachers. It is that Margi is not liking this kind of teachers, but uh, mechanical teacher is very accurate for the time. Okay, that is why Margi is having her class on the time and all the subjects according to the timetable. Okay, mechanical teachers is showing or describing the lectures. They are asking the questions, they are giving the answers, they are taking tests. Okay, and within no time mechanical teachers is calculating the marks of the exams. Okay, in this paragraph we can write like this. Okay, now there is another question. And the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story. Okay, सो फिर से एक बार इसका आंसर हम दूसरे पैराग्राफ में, इसमें लिखा है ना 2-3 पैराग्राफ में, तो इसका पैराग्राफ बनाएंगे हम. तो इसके दूसरे पैराग्राफ में इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि अकॉर्डिंग टू दी प्रोस, Margie and Tommy, they are having a virtual classroom in their home only, very next to their bedroom. Okay, when they are entering in that virtual classroom, okay, or we can say it's a school room, they are having a very matured instrument in those classroom. Okay, they are having high definitions or high qualities computer, headphones, mechanical teacher which we can say a robot. Okay, many more instrument we can see in their classroom. They can ask questions virtually and mechanical teacher give them answers virtually. They are they are having slots like that to put homework in that also, and some slots are there from which they can submit their test also. So we can say that after all we can say that Margie and Tommy, they are having very featured, okay, very featured and technology less classrooms or school rooms in their house only. Okay, like this we can make answer of this question. Now quickly we are going for the second one. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? See, इसमें क्वेश्चन भी दो हैं, तो हम एटलीस्ट 2 पैराग्राफ में तो लिख ही सकते हैं इसको. ठीक है ना. चलिए इसका आंसर देने की ट्राई करते हैं. Margie actually was not liking the virtual classroom which she was having at her home only, very next to her bedroom. Okay, because there is a mechanical teacher also who is every day punctual on time. He is taking again and again test, and the most part of those virtual classroom, what he was disliking that she was disliking that she has to put homework in homework slot all the time. Okay, so like that we can, and she is alone at that kind of school. She has to study all the time according to the duration alone only. No one is with her. Her teacher is also mechanical teacher, not a human being. Okay, like this we can answer the first one. And the second one, why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Okay, in the last paragraph we can find the answer in this last paragraph of the prose on the page number 9. But we can answer like this, because she was not liking the school and she was alone in her virtual classroom. But when she heard from Tommy that old kind of school, they are having special buildings, they so many kids were sitting together in a classroom, one human teacher is teaching them, and one another thing is that they can ask to each other, they can have lunch with each other, and they are coming to school together, and they are going to home from the school together. So when she is alone now in her class, the school room, virtual school room, she wants someone with her in the study time. Okay, at the study time we can write like this. So she is thinking that the old kind of school must have been fun. ओके, लाइक दिस आंसर वी कैन हैव. आप इस तरह से लिखेंगे तो आप जजमेंट भी लेंगे कि मोर देन 100 वर्ड्स और 2 पैराग्राफ्स ऑलमोस्ट इसके हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. थर्ड वन, अगर इसमें कुछ भी डाउट है तो प्लीज़ मुझे कॉल करिएगा, मुझसे पूछिएगा, मैं इसका क्लेरिफिकेशन आपको दे दूंगा. और बहुत ही स्लोली मैं जा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा लेंथ बढ़ रहा है वीडियो की, लेकिन फिर भी मैं स्लोली जा रहा हूँ ताकि आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से ये लिख सकें आप. और ग्रामेटिकली भी सही लिखिएगा, अच्छी तरह से सुनिएगा और सही तरह से लिखिएगा. डू यू एग्री विथ मार्गी दैट स्कूल्स टुडे आर मोर फन देन द स्कूल इन द स्टोरी? गिव रीज़न फॉर योर आंसर. सेम वेरी सिमिलर आंसर होगा सेकंड एंड थर्ड का. ये एक आंसर जो है, दोनों के क्वेश्चन के आंसर जो है वो वेरी सिमिलर हो सकते हैं. तो इसमें लिखने का पूछा इसलिए है, इस तरह से इसलिए. डू यू एग्री? यस, आई एम एग्री दैट मार्गीज स्कूल्स आर नॉट हैविंग दैट काइंड ऑफ, सॉरी, उसको इसमें ऐसा लग सकते हैं कि यस आई एम एग्री विथ मार्गी because what she was having a virtual classroom in her home only. When she wants to school, she don't have to left or leave her home. In the house only she is having everything. But when she knows from the Tommy that old kind of school which was his grandfather's grandfather, they were having special building for that, they were having classroom for the each and every subjects. So many kids are coming together to the school for the learning something or for the having education. Okay, then they are enjoying the school or the lessons in one room, and a human teacher is teaching them. Okay, and when they are having a break, they are taking lunch together, and after the school they are going home together. So Margi is thinking that togetherness with the friends is very good time. We can share our ideas, we can have fun with the friends, but she is alone at her virtual classroom. So she is thinking that the old kind of schools are having more fun than what she is having classroom or school room at her home. So I am that is why I am agree that, and I am also enjoying my real school building and real teachers in these days. So I am agree with Margi that schools today are more fun than the school in the story. See, like this we can have the answer. और इस तरह से ही आप सेंटेंस भी वो करिएगा तो हम बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से ये क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स दे पाएंगे और अच्छी तरह से हम मार्क्स गेन कर पाएंगे. ठीक है. Okay students, so these 3 questions you have to write in your notebook according to this video. Okay, I have given you a brief material, I have given you a brief discussion of this, so I think you will be very fine with this. If any doubt, please let me know. Then I will make you more clear, make you more sure about the thing. Okay, so we'll meet again with the new video. Thank you very much.